and pleasant
एक
introduction.
बार पकड़
Thank you
जरा
so much.
फोल्ड करने के ऊपर जाकर आया
Honorable Chief Guest, Dr. S. Naqvi, Director of National Institute for Oceanography. Respected guest of honor, Mr. S. Talkar,
इसका निकाल
the
दो
Assistant Director of
तीर
Education.
से निकल जाए
Sister Angela D'Souza, the Manager of Our Lady of the Rosary Convent. Sister Janet Almeida, Principal of Our Lady of the Rosary Higher Secondary School. Mrs. Candy Mashkaranis, the Vice President of PTA. Dignitaries, special invitees, parents, members of the teaching and non-teaching staff, and my dear students, good evening to you all. It is an occasion of immense pleasure and an honor for me to be felicitated in front of this august gathering. Truly, I am overwhelmed by the kind gesture and love expressed by the management, principal, staff, members, and students. On this occasion, first and foremost, I would like to thank the Almighty for giving me an opportunity to serve the society in general as a teacher. Secondly, I owe my gratitude to my late parents who have made me worthy to take up teaching as my profession. Excuse me.
जाओ मैं की जगह देखें
I am grateful to the management of FMM Sisters for giving me an opportunity to be part and parcel of Our Lady of the Rosary Institution for almost 41 years. I would be failing if I do not express my sincere thanks to the principals, late Sister Nancy Nazareth and Sister Carmina Di Mello, for their cooperation, understanding, and support extended to me during my tenure in this institution. May their souls rest in peace. I have reason to remember my early days in school when I just began teaching from standard 3rd to standard 10th. It took me a while to understand that it is my students who have helped me to grow to my potential. It is from them that I have learned teaching. In fact, I have been privileged to have had in my classroom many fine young girls who began to teach me how to teach. That is the very reason I think my gratitude should also go to them all. Having entered here in this institution, I have been blessed to have a family away from home who have accepted me right from day one. As such, I have enjoyed every moment in this institution. My presence in the school has always brought a radiant smile on my face because my colleagues, both the teaching and non-teaching staff, have always made me feel as one of them and showed me so much of love and affection that I can never give back. Too many memories are connected to Our Lady of the Rosary High School and Higher Secondary School. So also, plenty of memories are connected to all the students, past and present. I will always remember the things we all have achieved together as a team with my colleagues and students. Many successful annual day events, the NSS camps, visit to different places, school excursions, picnics, Christmas get-together, co-curricular and extracurricular activities, and so on. A unique feature of our staff is we always find a reason to celebrate and share our joy with each other, be it a birthday of a staff member or family events, children's success at exam, etc. All these have left a permanent imprint on my mind. I will miss all of this and more. Another reason for my profound attachment to this institute is because it was a home to my own children, Anwar, Azhar, Ahura, and Ulfa. The four of them started their ABC of knowledge here. I have also had the privilege to teach my daughters, and through them I have learned to understand and reach out to so many young girls placed in my hands. This institution has laid the foundation for their all-round personality development. I want to pay tribute to my principal, Sister Janet Almeida, for her valuable guidance and unconditional support, and to all my colleagues for always being there for me. You all have taught me what it is to serve faithfully and with humility. I sincerely thank you for your words of encouragement, sharing of resources, and mostly for your sincerity and trust in me. My thanks are also due to my ex-principal, Sister Sybil Cordero, for her support and guidance. I owe my biggest thanks to my husband, Mr. Hanif Khwaja, who is my pillar of strength. He has always encouraged me and helped me bring out the best in myself. He has stood up with me all the time and has supported me at every step I took during my tenure here. I am also thankful to my brother Musa Aga, whose unfailing support has helped me realize my dream to pursue higher education. I must admit that during my journey of 41 years, I have come across different sections of people, particularly parents and teachers, who have shared their views and expressed their feelings with me. My thanks are due to them all. It is with this gratitude that I look back, as I will be leaving this institution at the end of April 2015. I'll be taking with me a bag full of memories of last over 4 decades. My dear students, I have a small message for you. Be righteous in your actions, dignified in your ways. Let your words bring happiness to others, and your actions bring hope. Be good to people on your way up. Believe in yourself, and remember that it is not the destination but the journey that matters. I am fortunate that I will be retiring during the year when our school is celebrating the silver jubilee of its inception. I wish the school management to celebrate the golden jubilee with great zeal and enthusiasm. My best wishes are to all the students, particularly to those students who will be answering their board exams, to do their best and come out with flying colors. I pray that the management of the school may always remain successful in their endeavor to serve the society the best way they can. I pray that all the staff members remain ever enthusiastic and lively as they are always. I would like to conclude by wishing all of you Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year 2015. May Almighty bless you all. Thank you once again. Allah Hafiz.
Thank you, Hafifa. Your affectionate words will remain engraved in our hearts forever. I now hand over the mic to the compares for further proceedings. Thank you.
Thank you, Mrs. Sunita George, and I would like to take the opportunity to wish Mrs. Hafifa Khwaja all the best. Our school has proved its strength, not only in the academics, but also sports and other co-curricular activities. I request the Students' Councillor, Ms. Adriana Fernandez, to carry on the proceedings of the prize distribution.
Good evening once again. It is said, success is 1% inspiration and 99% perspiration. With a little bit of extra work, we can all be winners. I would like to inform the parents that the prizes for academic excellence are given at a special prize distribution held in the month of June. The prizes awarded today are special prizes. I request our PTA Vice President, Mrs. Candy Mascarenas, to give away the mementos to our national sports personalities. First, Ms. Charmaine Fernandez. I call upon Ms. Charmaine Fernandez. She participated in Nationals Under 17 Youth Basketball Championship held in Chandigarh. Next is Kulsum Sheikh. Kulsum Sheikh participated in Basketball Nationals Under 19 Championship held in Kerala. Sonali Bonkar. Sonali Bonkar participated in square martial arts in the nationals held at Mysore and won the first place.
Kishan, no,